Good afternoon and welcome to each and everyone on this health webinar. My name is Ashok Desai. I am anchoring this webinar. I am an engineer MBA, recently retired from a senior position in a reputed public sector company. Ground rule of this webinar is keep your speaker and video on mute. At the end of webinar, we shall have questions and answers session. Today's speaker is wellness consultant and international corporate trainer. Now, I welcome our today's speaker, one and only one, Mr. Kishore Baraskar, sir. Handing over to you now, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Ashok. Good afternoon, everyone. And I must congratulate you all for taking adequate safety measures regarding Corona, regarding this challenge. So friends, we sanitize our hands regularly. We use masks while going out, and also we don't go out if it is not necessary. So we will definitely win, we all. All right, today's topic is genetic wellness. Before going to that topic directly, I would like to give you some brief about it. We all love our family, and maybe father, mother, son, daughter, parents, as much love we can give, nobody else can give. So we have to live longer period and also very healthy. So this seminar will give you that insight, how to live healthy, and that too for longer period. So let's understand this, and I will use some PPTs also in between, and we will discuss. Ashok sir, can you switch on the PPT? All right, till then I will speak. See, normally 20% people, you can say in the world also, in general, 20% people in the world are in hospitals or even at home. They are severe challenges, health conditions, challenges they are suffering, and a lot of tests are going on. Some people are admitted, so the expenses are very huge. Then sometimes you don't get the results. So what you do is you change the doctor, change the line of treatment, and a lot of things we do. While doing that, huge expenses occur, but importantly, whole family is disturbed. We cannot see the suffering of our people. So friends, what is the answer for it? At present, there are certain symptoms, certain diseases where not really the solution is found. Now, these are 20% people, and some of them, sadly, they are told that you will live maybe 6 months or 1 year, that's all. That is the saddest part. Now, 80% people like you and me, we assume or we pretend to be good, healthy. But most of us are taking lot many pills every day in and out. A lot of people, we are suffering around 300 diseases we suffer from generally. Blood pressure, diabetes, acidity, ulcer, asthma, muscle injuries, migraine, then constipation, gas, lot of health conditions, health challenges we suffer from, and we take a lot of medicine. Now, whenever we go to doctor, they treat the symptom. They will give you pills, they will give you tests, everything. That is good. But the point is, the root cause of that particular disease is not known because everybody's body is different. So we cannot have generalized treatment. And actually, because of generalized treatment, we tend to lose a lot of money. We take a lot of medicine which may not be required. And importantly, what happens is, because of more medication, after all it's chemical, so reaction happens and different health challenges again occur. So all this is going on years together. So now the problem is how to find the root cause. If we understand our body simply genetically, means when we take birth, means when we are born, at that point of time, 23 chromosomes from parents that make our DNA, and in the DNA there are genes. I mean, the genes are there. So these genes actually determine how we will look, how our voice would be, composition, emotional quotient, skin color, etc., etc. So these genes actually define us, because earlier it was said that cells, the tissue cells should be good, but now inside the cell there are DNA, and those genes actually are responsible for many of our health conditions. So where is the challenge? Challenge is in front of you in that slide. See the slide. Cat is eating dog food. Is it okay? Is it good? No, obviously not. Some people are doing exercises. They get a lot of pain and muscle strain, etc., because it may not be suitable to them. But every day we are eating wrong food. Some of the items, like in petrol car, can we put diesel? No, we cannot. So then why are we doing with our stomach? Because we don't know. The real reason is we don't know. So let us so what happened is, for finding out the root cause, in USA, from year 1990 to 2003, there was a survey, research was going on. That research name was given Human Genome Project. One of the largest projects it was. In that, what they did, they took samples. Samples mean different set of people. And they studied the genes. You know, in our Indian culture, since thousands of years, we are being told that we have relation for 7 generations. We have been told hereditary. But we never really understood the deepest meaning. So this Human Genome Project actually revealed the secret. What happens is, this, when we are born, there are many symptoms, you know, and it is called predisposition, risk, come in our body through these genes. Now what happens? This genome project proved that when we take birth, that time itself, our genes carry information from parent side, and parent side means mother side and father side. But while that is transferred to our body, means our DNA, lot of genes carry mutation. Mutation is a technical word, so you just simply understand defect. Okay, it's a mutation. Now, these genes, when they carry the mutation, what happens is, lot of factors affect that gene. Mostly 70% of our food and 30% is the environment. What is that environment? Simple. Your lifestyle, your pollution, stress, electromagnetic waves, your mobile phone radiations, this comes under 30%. 70% your food and your lifestyle habits. So friends, these genes, now I'm actually explaining you how the disease occurs, matlab how you get the illness. When you have something, because your parents, they don't know this genetic mutation and all. So what they do, whatever they feel good, they start giving you that food and your habits develop. But friends, most out of those habits, there are certain food, certain habits, certain conditions are not suitable for those genes where the mutation is. So what happens? It's giving trouble and it affects that gene. Now, we don't know that. We are doing it unknowingly, but it's happening. Now, to explain very simply, I will tell you that in the war, there are landmines kept. Okay, those landmines, what happens? If those landmines remain in that position for years, it won't burst. But if somebody stamps on it, puts slab, goes over it, it blasts. The similar thing is like genes. Those genes with mutation are there in body. But what happens? We stamp on it, means because of 70% food and lifestyle habits and 30% lifestyle diseases, it's actually giving the trouble and it bursts. Actually, it is called gene expression. And those gene expressions, we call it as a disease. Okay. In front of you is a gene, you know, the DNA, this helix structure, everybody has seen in schools, right? Okay. Adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine, there are base pairs, horizontal. And actually, here all the information is there. Next slide. Now, friends, this Human Genome Project, it's so huge, so good, that it will exactly tell you about your body. I call it as a manual of your body. Now, the fact is, in India, this is very new. Of course, earlier, like in front of you, the screen is there, genetic testing was done mostly for clinical diagnosis. Means even these big hospitals, Tata's, Ambani Hospital, etc., they used to do this genetic testing for identifying the line of treatment for critical patients. That's clinical. What kind of medicine and line of treatment should be given to that particular patient. Now, on the right side, it is called predisposition testing, which is wellness, nutrigenomics, nutrition based on genes. So what we are doing is nutrigenomics, nutrition based on genes. Now, how this will help you? In next slide, we'll see. Our product, what we are dealing in, is called MAG Genomics. So this MAG Genomics, in next slide you can see, is MAG for Magnesa, which is our company. Genomics is the genetics study. So this MAG Genomics is the product which is very important for your family. Now, how this MAG Genomics actually works, how it will be helpful, I will share with you. Ashok ji, your screen is not going ahead. Next slide. So friends, Ashok ji, can you hear? All right, maybe he got disconnected. Anyway, we'll continue. Okay, friends. So now, how this test is done? you must be knowing that blood test, urine test, stool test, x-rays, these are the lot many tests we do. And the drawback is you have to do these tests all the time. Means whenever you get sick, you have to do this test again and again, again and again, again and again. But this Mac Genomics, this genetic profiling, you have to do it only once in life. Yes, only once in life, because genes do not change. So now let's go further and understand how this test is done. The test is very simple. We do this test by saliva. Saliva. Okay, you have to just give 2 ml of saliva. Once you pay, the kit comes to your house. You have to just give 2 ml saliva. In that there is a preserving chemical, and then you have to fill the form and share it with send it to our office. That everything, entire information will be given to you. In front of you is the Mac Genomics. This is our logo, powerful DNA-based personalized nutrition. Understand the word personalized. It will be only for you, your body. So once this goes to our lab, your saliva sample, here the first testing is done. And your first genetic profile for predisposition risk, first report comes. And that report is generally of 90 pages. Now, this is a sample report in front of you. Now, what are the conditions checked? Okay, in our labs, simple. Now, let's say whenever you get any illness, doctor first says, your this vitamin is less. So what you do, you take multivitamins. He will write down some vitamins to you. Now, many times what happens, certain vitamins may be adequate in your body, but you take all the vitamins because doctor has written, and doctors, see, they don't have this genetic report for you. They will give general, they will test you generally. So here that drawback is there, which will be removed once you have your genetic report like this. Now we test all types of vitamins, genetic predisposition, that is A, B vitamins, D vitamin, B12, all the vitamin testing will be done. Then we have certain food intolerances. Many people, for example, lactose intolerant, many people should not drink milk or should not eat milk related products at all. They don't know. So they keep on doing it, they keep falling sick, and they keep taking medicines for life. Some people have gluten intolerance. What is gluten? In wheat, there is a sticky element, gluten, protein, that gluten. Now, this gluten gets stuck. Some people cannot digest, so it gets stuck to the intestine, and you start getting a lot of trouble, digestion. And then what happens is, this particular gluten, if it is intolerant and the person is eating all types of gluten items, may it be roti, chapati, bajri, or then pasta, noodles, cake, pastry, beer, a lot many things they consume and they get trouble. So we test that also. Caffeine. Can you tell me, anybody, can we predict? Can we say that, only 60 and above people get heart attack? Can we? Earlier it was like that, but not now. Friends, even children of 12, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years guys are collapsing because of heart attack. Yes or no? So we have cardio. There are many cardiac conditions. When you develop that block, then heart attack, etc. But before that, there are many factors important in cardiovascular system. So all those genes also are tested. So there are almost 11 things, triglycerides, then actually speaking, if we take all these precautions for whole cardiovascular system, then you can really avoid these heart attacks also. Next, weight loss. Just imagine obesity is one of the fastest growing disease in India also. Correct or not? So this obesity is, such a disease. I call it as a glamorous disease. You know why? Because lakhs and crores of rupees are only wasted or maybe invested, sorry to wrong word, on this obesity reduction. Everybody wants to look fit, look classy, look, slim, but they don't know why they are not getting reduced, because a lot of risks are in genetics. So you need to understand genetics for all this. Fitness. Many people go for fitness, etc. They do some activities which may not be good for them, and still they do, and then they have severe muscle injuries and etc. So all these tests we do. There are another very good test is that of cancer predisposition. As you are aware, cancer generally is known in very late. It comes to light very late. We don't really understand in early stage. So many people are dying because of that. But if you carry that risk of certain types of cancer, you can alter your lifestyle based on that. So this MAC genomic genetic profiling can give you some guideline for that. So there are different 4-5 cancer traits we can, predisposition risks, we can have it in this, your genetic report. Then we have in this genetic report on behavioral traits. Like some people have habit of taking stress, depression. These conditions are also genetic. Also genetic. So if that condition is there, you will understand how to counter that, how to take care of yourself or your beloveds. There are, health conditions we test for addictions. Now, many people have smoking, drinking addictions. There are genes responsible for it. Many times what happens, suppose you have a child at home and he feels like, taking smoking or drinking. Now imagine if you do this test and if you understand earlier that he has a risk of getting addicted, then you can probably give him more information, keep eye on him, and also give him certain counter steps, which will be guided by our genetic counselors also. So these tests are there. Another very interesting test is there. It is called satiety test. While eating, certain people, they get the information about feeling the stomach very late. So they start eating and they don't get the signal that your stomach is full. They keep on eating and late they get the message, but by that time they are overeaten. That's why they have obesity, etc. So this test is also there. Creativity for children, slow learner, fast learner, there are many. Almost 104 conditions we test for, friends. Next. These are all the conditions. This will be WhatsApp to you. Okay. So just that's why I've given you overview. Next. Now see how the report comes. First report, genetic profiling, comes like this. in detail, and then below that, which gene is tested, that is also disclosed. Plus, you can see that colorful chart where on the right side is a red color. So it's a very high risk, very high risk. And if the arrow goes to left, it is low risk. So like this, you will understand your condition to maximum level of perfection. Plus, in the description, you will be explained what is this condition in this gene. Suppose you have this particular gene variant where the mutation is there, then you have this condition, and then to avoid that risk, what you need to do, that is also proposed, that is also stated. So like this, entire colorful and in detail you will get report. And like this report, you will have around 90 pages report. It is called genetic profile report. Next, once this report will be emailed to you, because this is personal, too personal. So it will not be handed over to anyone. It will come to you on email, and then you can take a printout of it, make a spiral binding, and start reading this. Friends, we study lot for exams, 10 subjects, 100 pages, 1000 pages, correct? Friends, but this is very important that you should know your body inside out. It's your birthright also, and it is important for your life to be healthy, happy. So just take out printout, you start reading, and I will suggest that read it a few times. You will understand, you will start understanding your body, because you will relate it to your health challenges. Suppose you are suffering from some disease, and then it comes there written about high risk. Then you say, oh, actually it is because of this I am getting this health condition. So your mind starts working towards positively towards the solution. And what happens, the best part is we have genetic counselors, genetic experts. Friends, these people, they have been trained by the experts from US, and they know about genetics far more than many other people around you. May it be normal dietitians, may it be some doctors, etc. They are trained for genetic, predispositions. So they will call you, they will talk to you. You can tell them what health conditions, challenges you are going on, or your veg, non-veg, on what is your preferences, where you stay, etc. Plus, what kind of medicines you are taking. That also you can narrate to them. And once you narrate them all this, what they do, they will give you a simple, doable action plan. Just see on your this screen. This is the front page of action plan. See how positive. Why she is happy? Because she knows now exactly what's good for her body. So in petrol car, you won't put diesel at all like this. Now you have a tool. You have a manual in your hand that what is suitable for your body. So in this action plan, what happens is, first, they will tell you what kind of medical tests also you should do. But exactly those tests. Here it is not generic. What is required for your body. So your money is not wasted. Money is saved. Okay, that is one. Next, what they discuss is, they will discuss the genes, how they, what is the predisposition risk. They will give you brief about what kind of food you should take. That is very important. And it is simplified. So you don't have to bother anything. Anyways, you have to just follow that. That's it. In fact, in that also it is written what kind of exercises you need. This is again very important, friends, very important. Otherwise, in your area, you see many people every day taking morning walk, every day, right? But they don't reduce. Tummy is the still same. Why? Because they don't know what is suitable for their body. genetically. They want to run, they need to run or walk or take weightlifting, or yoga or whatever. So this is action plan will give entire picture. And it's very simple, simplified manner. Friends, this action plan will be there with you for lifelong. And the best part is you have to simply follow this action plan and your many health conditions will, revert. There are, you can say, because you are getting prevention. Why prevention? Because many of the health risk, you will see here, that does not occur to you. But because genetically there is a mutation, so you may attract that kind of a disease in future. That is the best thing, that to know that future risk today, so that through this action plan, you will alter your lifestyle, you will change your eating habits, you will change your, waking up habits, and importantly, your exercising habits. So changing the lifestyle, all these risk you can prevent. You can at least, reduce it. And if you are having certain medicines, keep on taking medicines. That's not an issue. But in some time, you will feel that, you need to reduce the dose, etc. Of course, in consultation with doctor. But currently, you have this action plan, which is sometimes I, call it as my manual. And just like how we refer Gita, Quran, Bible, this is one document required for us to refer all the time. Now, how it works, I will tell you practically now with my experience. Friends, earlier, I was very bulky. Okay, my tummy was out. My eyes had blackheads, or you say, melamine. And because of my weight, my knees had started paining that time while climbing and all. So for reducing weight, I had joined one gym, okay, plus 3,000 rupees I was giving PT, personal training. So yearly I used to spend around 60-70,000 rupees on my reducing weight, which I earlier mentioned, obesity, glamorous disease. So I was doing that, but no results, friends. And in fact, the trainer, what he did with me, heavy exercise and all, it developed muscle injury for me. And that to reduce that muscle injury or remove it, I went to 4 doctors, then, I took medicines, then, physiotherapy, many things. But that the injury was not, healing up. Now, what happened was, by the time I did my test, genetic profiling, I got the report, and I was surprised that in my genetic report, it was clearly mentioned that I have a, muscle injury risk. That, mutation is there already. So I was shocked and I said, wow, now I know my body. Then what I did, whatever they recommended, eating habits, some food supplements. Food supplements means they are not medicine, but you have to take it Ayurvedic and herbal certain things. And then what I changed is my exercising pattern. Friends, in just 3 to 4 months, my 9 kilos weight I lost. How good it is. And that too, I had removed that trainer also, nothing. I did with this action plan. That is very important. So that's the beauty of this action plan and Manx Genomics, that you will come to know your body and you can take care of your body. So I'll show you my picture, but don't laugh at me, okay? Just see my picture, how I was and now how I am today. Okay. See, this is action report, action plan, how it comes. This is the one page. Like this, around 48 pages. 48 pages report comes, as an action plan. So action plan is also very elaborative. You will be very pleased to follow it. Next. That's me. I laugh, बोलते ना LOL, laughing out loud, seeing at my earlier picture. See that picture, and if you could really enhance it, my eyes were dark. And you know, I don't know whether he can do it, but anyways, later on we will send you my picture. So first weight reduced, and my eyes, you know, where the dark circles and etc. were there, it went off in 4-5 months slowly, but I didn't know only because earlier for removing that I used to do facial 15-20 days, every 15-20 days. Lakhs of rupees I had spent over years only on that, but it was not, you know, sufficient. Now with this genetic profiling, when I changed my diet as well as, you know, some supplement and exercises, see my transformation. And now I want to tell you that once that report came, now I only behave that way. Now see my recent photo. This is December photo. So just 5-6 months back. Can someone imagine? See the transformation. Friends, good news for you is that you will look 10-15 years younger than your actual age once you start following this action plan. Isn't it amazing? People spend lakhs of rupees for keeping healthy and young, but here it is naturally. And friends, in lockdown, now 6 months we are at home, almost 5 months. But do you know, I have not put on weight because I know exactly now what to eat, how much to eat, and I am healthy. That is something incredible, extraordinary gift I have given to myself. That is this Mac Genomic test profiling. So friends, next, I want to give you caution why you should do the test. Okay. First, as I told you, if you want to have a healthy life, just do it. That's all. Now, if you don't do this, as you know, as you are aware, one fact, that is, we are slowly going towards, you know, we are becoming senior citizens, slowly. Our age is increasing. But friends, the bad part is, the worst part is, if you don't do this genetic profiling now, if you don't take care of your body now, if you don't change your lifestyle to your genes, suitable to your genes now, what will happen? Tomorrow you have to arrange lakhs of rupees for kidney, lakhs of rupees for intestine, for operations. How are you going to do it? Lakhs of rupees. Next slide. You know, people are buying out there, kidneys, etc. Heart challenges, brain surgery, so much of expenses, friends. So why not avoid this? Friends, this testing is very low cost today. Can you imagine if we spend money on our lifestyle, if you spend our money on going outing, touring, if we spend money on, you know, seeing a lot of movies, etc., lifestyle, shoes, you know, watches, expensive things, etc. Friends, this one thing, you have to do it today. When I saw all this profiling, etc., while buying, I thought that so many health conditions will be taken care of. I will be healthy. My weight will reduce. My blood pressure was there actually. Now, because of this lifestyle changes, now today I don't take any medicine. No blood pressure pill also, and I'm really healthy. So if I get all things, why not do it? That was a simple question. Then I calculated, as of course, as a layman like you and me, how much I have to spend. But then I calculated, if over 300, 104 conditions I can come to know, I can reduce so many things and lakhs of rupees on medicines, etc., gymming, etc. I thought this cost would be 1 lakh rupee. So I thought, okay, around 4-5 lakh rupees, I will keep aside and gift my family this test once and for all. Because as it is, I gift many things on birthdays, on Diwali, on festivals. So instead of that, one time in life you can give, it will be fantastic. So I had thought that 1 lakh, but when I actually understood the cost, I was very happy. Very happy. Because the cost is only 37,300. In this, what you get? 104 health conditions, predisposition, profile, 90-page report, plus counseling by genetic experts, and also you will get 50-page around action plan. And actually speaking, friends, I had done so many blood tests. Even one blood test, 1-page report also, it cost me 2,000, 3,000 rupees. So here, entire genome for our body will be known. But today you have another great news, is that you will get this today for only 29,900. And company has given the offer because, you know, now there is Corona. So in Corona, people want to increase their immunity. People want to stay healthy and they want to reduce their health challenges if they have anything. So in Corona, this challenge, everyone needs this test, because then you will be healthy and you will know how to counterattack, how to be safe, how to increase immunity, everything. So for this, company has given for 2 genetic profiling tests, two people, company is offering only at 40,000 rupees. Means only on your beloved, if you spend only 20,000 rupees, only once in lifetime, your entire life will be healthy, happy, and in future, whatever lakhs of rupees expenses might occur, which you can save today. So friends, this is a blessing, and this technology, mind you, will be required everywhere after this. Why? I will tell you what is happening in the world now. If you want to take up a job, not ordinary test will do. The company owners will tell, okay, ask him to send his genetic report. If you want to marry, earlier Kundli was there, but now this Genome Patrika, Genome Kundli will be there. They will say, okay, give your son's genetic profiling, my daughters, we will let us match. That will happen. So that, you know, even after marriage, the children will be very good. No special child can be, you know, because we can take care for that matter. So this genetic profile, even insurances, those companies will start claiming that give, you know, genetic report, and based on that we will insure. Soon it will come. Otherwise, somebody insures with doctors giving some report, and in 1 month, 2 months itself, he goes with heart attack. That is possible. So friends, genetic revolution is big way hitting. Now those who will come into this early, benefit early. So it's your turn today. I did it, and I'm healthy, happy, healthy life I'm having. I've done for my entire family, friends, because this is one time and I'm very happy they are following it. Today is your day. So I thank you for listening to me. Friends, this genetic profiling, I share with people from my heart because I have benefited a lot. Today is your turn. Give the best gift ever you can give. Also in Corona, is this your own personalized DNA-based nutrition, Nutri-Genomics. So I thank you very much. Now we can take on some questions if anybody has. Just do your Mac Genomics today. Ashokji, keep it that way. Yeah, I can. Yeah, anybody having any question, they can raise hand. Ashokji can, you know. Anybody wants to ask anything? Otherwise, we'll close. You can talk to the person who has invited you. He has all the information, and whatever you want to ask, you can ask. And definitely you can do this. It is online only. You have to pay by credit card, debit card, money transfer, and entire thing is online. Okay. Tell me. सांग त्याला पुन्हा बारस कर बाबा मी त्याचा नवरा ओके
Friends, if anybody is interested, just raise your hand. I will unmute you to enable you to ask the question. Anyone who has a doubt can ask now.
But that means my explanation was good enough. I really congratulate you all because today you understood the latest technology for keeping your family healthy, happy. So I thank you very much and God bless you. Stay healthy and we will make all India healthy by this. Thank you. Thank you very much.